What's up? This is Tom with Elevating WordPress. In this video, I'm going to be reviewing SiteGround's cloud hosting. I'm actually on their cloud hosting plan right now. I'll show you the email so your SiteGround account was successfully updated to cloud. Here's my website. It loads pretty much instantly. And yeah, I ran my website through here. I'm on SiteGround, so that's the proof is in the pudding. So the main thing is a lot of people who are on their current shared hosting plans get these CPU overages, which means maybe you installed a WordPress plugin that's taking up a ton of resources, or you're going over your disk space. Anyway, I was getting these CPU overages on their shared hosting plan, and they would basically shut down my website after a few emails. Not good, not cool, but any hosting company has a overage limit, so it's not just SiteGround, but that's what kind of prompted me to upgrade to cloud. And with cloud hosting, you should not get these CPU overages. So I know a lot of people have that problem. Upgrading to cloud will fix it. Here's the notification: account limited due to overuse of system resources. But yeah, cloud hosting will fix that. So I'm just going to go over some of the features. The main thing between shared hosting and cloud hosting is shared hosting, you're sharing servers with hundreds of other websites, and you're basically only using one server. While cloud hosting, basically you have unlimited servers that act as one machine, and your resources are basically isolated. So what that basically means is if one server fails, on shared hosting your website might go down, and that might affect your uptime, or it might affect your security because you're only hosted on one server. By isolating your resources, your website will be a lot more secure and it will be a lot more reliable. You'll have pretty much 100% uptimes, and I actually tested this, and my website does have 100% uptimes in the last month. So the entry plan is $60 a month, which is, it should suffice for most people. The CPU is what processes the data. The RAM is what temporarily stores the data, and then it hands it off to the CPU for processing. And then you have your disk space, and the bandwidth is the total amount of resources processed at one single time. So you can always scale these. You can build your own plan. Where was it? Yeah, create your own plan right here. So you can scale these if you need more CPU or RAM. Obviously it's going to cost more, but the good thing about the cloud hosting is that if you do need more resources, like if you have sudden traffic spikes or seasonal traffic spikes, you can actually set your plan to have more resources during these traffic spikes. While shared hosting, you cannot do this. So that guarantees that your website is going to stay up and it won't shut down. So you can just kind of go through these features. SiteGround's technology is super fast. The auto-scalable, like I said, there's a feature in the cPanel that allows you to set these. If this happens, then scale my resources to. So you can do things like that in the cPanel. The support is great. Love SiteGround support. Fully managed servers, daily backups, Cloudflare's free CDN, and they have 4 data centers. So if you actually go to our technology and click data centers, you can see you can select one of 4. You can read about their speed technology here and their uptime technology. And they have a ton of cloud hosting tutorials. If you just Google SiteGround cloud hosting tutorials, they basically, if you need to learn more about what cloud hosting is or the benefits of it, They have all these tabs right here that allow you to learn about it. So that's helpful. This is for their shared hosting plans, but I realize that I think I get everything in their GoGeek with cloud. I haven't seen one thing that I don't get since I've been on their cloud hosting. So if you just go to WordPress services, learn more, and then click See Plan Details, you can get this features page. And these are basically the core features of SiteGround. Like I said, cloud hosting, I believe, comes with everything with GoGeek. And that means, WordPress auto updates, 30 daily backups, staging if you need to create a demo website to test plugins and designs on before you actually launch it. Caching, I don't use their caching. I recommend W3 Total Cache or WP Super Cache. I wrote tutorials on those, and I'll leave them in the comments if you want to follow them. But yeah, you can go through this and hover over each tab to see what it does, but I would definitely take a look, especially if you're with a different host now, I would take a look at this page to see exactly what everything comes with. But SiteGround does have a free hosting migration, so if you're on a different host and you're moving into either a shared or cloud hosting plan, then they will migrate you for free, which is super nice because you don't have to do anything. And that basically concludes my SiteGround cloud hosting review. If you decide not to do their cloud hosting and you are going into a cheaper plan, one of these shared hosting plans, keep in mind that these server resources is what makes your website faster. So Startup comes with the least amount of server resources, Grow Big comes with a little more, and GoGeek comes with even more. And GoGeek is considered semi-dedicated, so that's definitely the fastest out of all their shared hosting plans. But I'm on cloud, I really like it. Like I said, my website loads very quickly. In GTmetrix, I think I have about a 0.5 second load time, and SiteGround is awesome all around. I have nothing but good things to say. So that concludes my review. If you have any questions, feel free to leave me a comments, and I'll be glad to help you out. And also, I did include an affiliate link if you do sign up for SiteGround. It basically gives me a commission off the sale at no expense to you. I basically use that money to pay off my student loans, so if you do sign up, I would appreciate it if you used it. Thank you.